It's my pleasure to be a part of this summit, which is going to share the information about the summit. Telangana has always been the spirit and voice of the youth. Telangana government, especially our IT minister and different sectors of the government encourage the youth all the time, especially women entrepreneurs also. They can only trigger us and support us with the resources. One small example, I always wonder, the whole world is talking about the longevity these days coming to Western countries or Asian countries like China and all, which is very interesting topic, longevity. You might be aware of that. I wonder why India is not talking about longevity. I wish very soon some young entrepreneurs come up with a concept of longevity hub in Telangana. I think we are quite potential to speak about longevity, but I don't know what is stopping our thought process. As he said, Varprasad, that it's always very important, rather than thinking about settling down at a comfort zone with one job, it's always try to think about expand your thoughts and come up as an entrepreneur and provide employment opportunities to hundreds or thousands or lakhs based on your potential and capacity. And coming to women entrepreneurship, if woman comes out as an entrepreneur, she just cannot lift herself, but she can able to lift the world around her. So let's give us her voice and let's promote the woman entrepreneurship, which our government is already doing it. So I wish you all the best for this summit and request all the entrepreneurs to come and participate in this, and to all the startups, all the very best. There is nothing that we fail if you put our 100% effort into that. Failure is just like I think when we are in the comfort zone, it's difficult to get into the success zone. So come out of your comfort zone and give your 100%, and I'm sure we'll be definitely successful. And congratulations and wishing you all the best to the participants and the organizers for a transformative summit. Thank you so much.